From the early morning, we are celebrating Swami Vivekananda's birthday, 12th January, National Youth Day, with Mangalarati in the morning at 5:30 a.m. And then one big procession is arranged from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and whole day long some songs, some recitals will be there. In the afternoon there will be a release of annual volume of Swami Vivekananda's ancestral house. Every year we publish one volume. It will be published by Swami Balabhadranandaji Maharaj, Assistant General Secretary, Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. There will be a public meeting from 3 p.m. to 4:45 p.m. and other cultural programs will be there. And we arranged week-long program, particularly in the afternoon or evening. There will be detailed program. You can see in our banner. It is there. On this auspicious occasion, we pray to Swami Vivekananda, who gave all strength, solace to our country. And he told that it may be that I shall find it good to get outside of this body, to cast it off like a disused garment, but I shall not cease to work till the world shall know that it is one with God. So, on this holy occasion, we invoke Swami Vivekananda's that strength-giving messages and his inspiration, his blessings, so that our youth can make their life a successful one. And he told that teach yourself, teach everyone his real nature. Call upon the sleeping soul and see how it awakes. Power will come, glory will come, goodness will come, purity will come, and everything that is excellent will come when the sleeping soul is roused to self-conscious activity. He also told, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Utho jago musafir, bhora bhai, अब रैन कहाँ जो सोवत है वो खोवत है जो जागत है वो पावत है. He gave that clarion call to the nation and told the youth that their muscles will be like iron, muscles of iron and nerves of steel, a gigantic will which nothing can resist, which can penetrate into the mysteries and the secrets of the universe and will accomplish their purpose in any fashion, even if it meant going down to the bottom of the ocean, meeting death face to face. So this strength we must imbibe in our personality.